All right, guys, I think we are live. Um, don't see a pop up in my area, but I'm just going to roll with it. First of all, I'm going to start off with a little introduction. My name is Michael Cesaroni. I've been trading for quite some time now. It's something that I've got a passion for. I love teaching. I love going through the technical analysis aspect of the currencies that are trading that day, and I'm more or less a day trader, and I tend to I trade more of the price action instead of um, you know I'm not worried about exactly where the price is going. Um, Again, this is one of my first streams, so I'm just gonna kind of get right into it and get into the analysis part and the actual value and where I think Bitcoin could be going. The past couple of days we've been trading inside this channel that is just, to me, it's picture perfect. This is a channel that we want to be staying inside of right now. Um, I mean, we came up strong. We tried to break that $10,000 mark. If we did, I think we would have had a problem. I think it would have came down just as hard as it went up. I mean, right here, this growth right here to me scared me at first. It's not something that I enjoyed seeing. Trust me, I love when the price of BTC goes up. There's nothing more that I do like, but I also like healthy growth. I don't like seeing stuff that's artificially pumped. And at the time, that's just how I felt it was going. I felt like it was going too fast, and we needed a consolidation. So in one of my callouts, I did mention that if we had broke the $10,000 mark, I would have got a little worried because I just felt like it would have came down harder. We needed a correction. And right around here, I believe I was making a stream. I've been doing a lot of streams on Periscope. I've been trying to get more involved in the Twitter, in every social media aspect. I'm starting to become a lot more active on my Trading View account, on my Twitter account, on Facebook, and all that stuff, just to provide some value in the community that I think that I could give. And I'm not doing this for the money. I'm not doing this for any other reason, but just out of the appreciation for where cryptocurrency is and where I think it's going to go in the future. The analytic part of it is something that I've learned over time. It's something that I've spent a lot of time on. Getting down with what where. Sorry, I'm getting text messages coming, but that's the point of a live stream, right? Anything goes. So what I want to see with BTC right now is I want to just see it continue trading within this channel. I want to see it continue trading. Um, you know, just stay in this channel for a couple of days, and that way it's going to allow a lot of the other alts to just kind of do what they do. One of the coins that I've been just blown away by is Zilliqa. I mean, the growth that this coin has been producing is just absolutely mind-boggling to me. I've been waiting for a correction to happen to strengthen my position a little bit, but it's not happening. I was just talking to a friend of mine, and I'm part of an excellent group that you guys should all check out. It's called Bit More Crypto. We have a Discord that's extremely active. We have Facebook. Our Twitter is off the hook. I mean, everything that we produce, the content, everybody in the group. I mean, I've learned so much stuff from these guys, and vice versa. I mean, I think that it's just a great place to go and just hang out and talk crypto. It's something that I strongly advise anybody that's in this space to just be a part of, and be a part of a community to help each other grow. That's what this is all about. So we take a look at Zilliqa here. I mean, there's been no pullbacks, and usually when I'm in a trade or I'm trying to enter a trade, I wait for a pullback to either an EMA or to consolidate to some type of pattern. Just seeing you in the loop. Yeah, I can't see any comments because this is my first live stream. And Vin, I apologize, man. I should have shouted it out. I didn't think I was really going to get any traction. I have no idea who's even viewing right now. We got to go over that stuff so you can show me the lowdown on how to break all this stuff down. But anyway, when I am trading, I tend to look for patterns. I'll show you one in particular that Verge, I think it was Verge that I was looking at earlier. We see a pattern here. I mean, these Vinnos, these are the patterns that I love to trade. This is a wedge that's forming beautifully, and it broke out. It did break out of this wedge, but we didn't really get much action once it broke out because it's getting tied up with this 15 EMA. I usually like trading off the 4-hour. I was just taking a look at the 24-hour there, the day chart, because we're looking at BTC. But it's what happens is when we tend to see the price of BTC kind of sitting still or not, nobody's really sure where it's going right now. We're getting these lows of 9180 last night, or was it 9,080, and then it bounced quickly back up into that channel. So when BTC is undecided, a lot of the other alts and a lot of the other coins are undecided as well. We kind of want BTC to move sideways and consolidate a little bit so all these other alts, if you are into trading alts, can get some price action going. EOS is a strong mover. Again, this is a pattern that I love trading. We saw an initial breakout of this pattern here. Didn't see much price action. It's starting to get tied up on the 15 EMA a little bit. But I do think that we're due for another rally. EOS is in the news a lot lately. So I do consider this to go a bit further. I wouldn't necessarily say it's a buying opportunity right now. I'd wait to see what happens with BTC. That's kind of what we're riding on right now, is what BTC is going to do. I mean, like I said, let's check out this channel one more time. We got I got all this stuff popping up, guys, that you don't need to be seeing, but I'll figure all that stuff out. So again, we're trading in this channel. If we can, if we can get up to this 98.75 area, consolidate, come down a little bit, I would really like to see trading inside this channel for the next couple of days. And I really think we'll see some growth out of some of these other altcoins. Ethereum, same kind of pattern. It's been moving more, and as you can see, it's formed a little flag pattern here. The exact patterns that I was just talking about, that I do love trading. I mean, that's a breakout, and that's a buy signal right there. If you have any, Ethereum is a great coin. A lot of people give it a lot of uncertainty. Ethereum is basically what a lot of these other altcoins are built from. They have to go through Ethereum in order to get their ICO off. So I believe Ethereum is going to be around for a long time. They have very few competitors. One of them being Neo, and Neo got tangled up a couple months ago with with one of their network failures that caused the price to go down. So, I mean, right now, Ethereum's the big dog, and a lot of people are saying that the market cap is going to overtake Bitcoin this year. Do I think it's going to happen? Don't really think so, in my opinion, but we'll see. Let's just take a look at the market and how, where we are price-wise, price action. Just to play on BTC. What's the LT play on BTC right now? Great, man. I'm glad you saw gains. I gotta find out how I can see you guys chatting in the Vin, we gotta talk, buddy. Oh, here it is. I think I got it. Let's see here. I gotta find out how I can see you guys chatting. Yeah, I can see it. What's up, Vin? All right, now we get the chat going. This is good now. Awesome. So, all right, so we got Bitcoin. We got Bitcoin sitting at around 9,341. Ethereum still at the 750 mark. Ripple moving up. Bitcoin Cash. A lot of people call it Bitcoin trash. I mean, it is what it is. I don't mind trading it if you are seeing gains from it. EOS moving up in the line. Cardano, Stellar, IOTA still in the top 10. And Tron moved its way back up into the top 10. Listen, Tron is just, it's a coin that I don't like trading, but I will if it will get me gains. I mean, that's pretty much it. I don't believe in the intrinsic value. I don't think Tron even knows what it's trying to do. they're great at marketing. That's my opinion. I think it's a coin that is a, Justin's son knew what he was doing, and he knew what he was marketing. So good for him. And when it got up to 30 cents, I don't think anybody sold. I was one of those guys that bought in, in the mid range and didn't sell when it was on its way down. And I ended up holding bags. And that's the number one thing you don't want to do in crypto is you don't want to get stuck holding bags. You want to try to get in and out. And if it's a coin or a project that you believe in long term and it has intrinsic value, then great, man. Then hold on to it, because those prices. There was a kid in one of our Discord channels earlier that that I have a lot of respect for. I mean, his hustle, his grind, his passion for crypto and wanting to learn, it's all there. So I honestly try to give him my 100% knowledge, and I try to teach him as best as I can. But a lot of people, they have these opinions where they get into a coin or they get into a project and they see a little bit of a dip in the project and they quickly sell their hand. They quickly sell out. It's a long-term process, this entire thing. If you want to be a long-term trader and you want to be a day trader, you have to be willing to stick through the hard times. And that's, the best advice I could give. One of the other things that I could say too is when BTC goes up and you see these altcoins go down, that doesn't necessarily mean you have to sell out of your positions. All that's saying is that people are taking their funds out of altcoins, they're putting it into BTC because they don't want to lose BTC value in their portfolio. And it's totally understandable. I do the same thing with a lot of coins, but with a lot of coins that I do hold long term, I hold on to it because I know that price will jump back. So that's something that I can, that you should honestly just think about. And when you see these prices drop, don't quickly sell. The only way you're going to lose money in this market is if you sell. And I'm telling you that the prices always jump back. I mean, look, just a month ago, BTC was sitting at 6,400, and everybody else, including myself, thought it was going lower, but these things bounce back. So you have to have trust in the project and what you are, investing in. If there's any questions out there, please shoot them out. I don't know how many viewers we got. We got a whole 2 people watching. That's awesome, man. Awesome. Thank you guys for being in here. I'm going to keep this kind of short. This is my first live stream. I just wanted an introduction. Again, I want to be a lot more active in this community. With the help of you guys and everybody else within the Bit More Crypto community and everybody involved, I truly think that if you have a passion and if you have an interest in investing and making money, come back. I'll post in my Twitter, all my social media feeds when I am going live. Again, I'm going to keep this very short. Just wanted to do a quick introduction. Thank you guys for coming in. Thank you guys for checking it out. I appreciate it very much. And you guys have a great day and continue trading.